In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly create and send a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online. So let's jump right in and make the process as smooth as possible. First, you'll need to head over to the QuickBooks website. So open up your preferred web browser and type in quickbooks.intuit.com. Once there, sign in using your login credentials. It's always a good idea to keep this information secure and memorable as you'll need it for day-to-day operations. Now that you're logged in, look over to the left side of your screen for the menu. You can click directly on sales and then jump straight to customers, or if you prefer a quicker route, just hover over to the top left corner and give the plus new button a click. Both options will bring you to where you need to be, ready to create a sales receipt. Once in the customer section, go ahead and select Sales Receipt from the variety of options presented. It's a convenient tool that makes documenting sales transactions a breeze. You'll now see a template where you can fill in all the necessary details about the transaction. Begin by selecting the customer you're dealing with from your existing list. If your customer isn't listed yet, you can add them promptly for future ease of use. Next, shift focus to the payment details. Accurately fill in the payment method your customer has chosen. It could be a credit card, cash, check, or any method that suits their preferences. Don't forget to set the correct deposit account for these funds. It's crucial here to align this with your financial tracking needs, ensuring everything is streamlined. Also, mark in the sales date reflecting the day the transaction took place or when you want it recorded for accounting purposes. Moving on to the core of the transaction, adding the products or services your customer purchased. You can select each item from your predefined list, assuming you've set these up in QuickBooks before. After selecting the items, make sure to enter the correct quantity sold, as well as the rate per item. As you do this, the system will automatically calculate the total amount due, including applicable taxes. It's an intelligent feature that ensures maximum accuracy with minimal effort from your side. Finally, it's decision time. With everything entered, you can choose how to finalize the transaction. For a seamless transaction and instant customer communication, click on Save and Send to email the receipt directly to your customer. If you simply want to save it without sending, perhaps for an internal record, the Save and Close option has you covered. And there you have it. Creating and sending a sales receipt in QuickBooks Online is that straightforward. Feel free to pause and replay any section of this video if you need a refresher on these steps. Happy bookkeeping!